wants a list of all of our services
Mm-hmm.
and what we do, because we do everything from A to Z.
Right.
Should I send a white page or should I put it in an email?
You can, but I would push back on that a little bit in a skillful way. Like when you say you wanted to see a list of our services, can you give me an example of what you're hoping to see? Right? Like that's just kind of a blow off. Like they should know specifically what, well, I just want to know everything that you do. Right? Perfect, I'll send that over. More importantly, in terms of like you got to keep that thing focused because the website has all of that, right? There's probably a reason they're asking for it.
Got it.
Yeah, specific example. When you say blank, can you give me a specific example? Has made me a lot of money personally because I don't go off on wild goose chase. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.